InstaVar Gloss Picture Varnish by Tusc Pine is an odorless, archival quality varnish that will work with your oil, alkyd, and even acrylics. This modern replacement to Damar varnish won't yellow or crack, it's free from impurities and dries crystal clear. Unlike other varnishes, InstaVar can be applied when the paint is dry to the touch and firm in its thickest sections. That means that you can protect your paintings now instead of in 6 or maybe 12 months literally collecting dust. Which means you can get it out to galleries, collectors, people that have commissioned your work even faster. It dries within 24 hours to an even gloss sheen, boosting color saturation and enriching colors. No isolation coat is necessary, and the varnish removes easily with Studio Solve without heavy scrubbing. And like all Tusc Pine products, they're made right here in the United States. So whether you're new to varnishing or you've been varnishing for a long time, this is a way to simplify the varnishing process for not only you applying the varnish, but for when it's time to come clean a painting down the road.